Hello everybody, and welcome to a quick little episode of Mixed Mower, the Mower Man. Hope you're doing well. It's not a repair video, this is, quick slurp your coffee. This is a mail call video, which I don't do very often. I normally incorporate them inside the videos, yeah?
My name.
This parcel has got your name on it, absolutely nothing to do with me at all. So just had some bloke turn up.
My cha-cha.
Yeah, it's fine. Just had some bloke turn up, and this is for you. It's got on there, Riley Boy.
No, wait, no.
It's got Riley, it's your name, Riley Boy, see, that's from you. This has come all the way from America, from the Taryl Fixes All team, as we know. Grass Ratio. And as we know, it's from Taryl and team because it's got a Taryl sticker on it. So, let's get it opened up.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
My boy said,
What? Dinner, exactly that, yeah. Riley Boy is probably, apart from Pete Frau, Pete, yeah. Apart from Pete Frau, Riley Boy is probably one of Taryl's biggest fans ever.
Is your best
He also likes Junior, and he also likes Slippers, who's really, really old. The boys over there have been so kind to Riley Boy, and they really have gone above and beyond to send him little tiny parcels, bits and pieces. I say little tiny.
Daddy,
look at the size of this, you know.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Maybe give me a Christmas CD.
Mate, you have already got their CD, which you play in our car, in our van, at full belt every time we go out in it, don't you? Yeah. What's your favourite song?
It's called Ratio.
Grass Ratio. Right. Okay, so this is from Taryl now, and gang. I think this is because Daddy sent him over a part for a Suffolk Punch engine. And I think this, they said, can we send something back? I said, no, don't send me. I mean, send right. If you want to send something to Riley Boy. So this, I think, has come from Taryl and team, and possibly the gentleman whose engine it was that Daddy sent the parts for. So this is for you, not for me. So we'll go nice and steady. Nice and steady.
There's nothing here.
There's nothing in here. We've got some paper. We love paper, don't we? Oh, we love paper. Oh my lord, look at the size of this paper. Look at it. This is packaged. Hang on, do it in bits here. Yeah, look, more here, look. Like a big long, it's like a snake. Look at it, it's like a snake.
Oh no.
Right, okay, oh, there's more paper. Holy moly, holy. Right, what have we got? So do it nice and slow. What's the first one we got? First one we got is a Farmal Super M cast die metal track. Look at that. A metal tractor toy. How cool's that? Thank you very much.
I got
You got
you
got a cap which says Ditch Witch. And a ditch witch is something they use for digging. Daddy got done with a ditch witch when we done our cable, yeah?
Daddy, a note.
We'll read the note right at the end, shall we?
I got a car.
Let's have a look here. Let's slow it down. We've got a Hot Wheels car. This is a looks like a Maverick. We've got a Hot Wheels car as well. That's cool, fantastic. Oh my word, what have you got there? This is a Sound Machine pickup. 2 seconds. Sound Machine pickup steel truck with on-off. It's got on-off as well. You can rev it up and it's got a horn on it. And look at that. That's a proper little truck. We like that a lot, don't we? Rustic pickup sounds and lights. Hang on. 2 seconds. I can see how excited you are. You're absolutely rock and rolling. You are. So we've got a nice big truck as well.
Daddy.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't vote for you.
What you got? We've got a Taryl Fixes All sticker, and what's it say on the bottom here? What's that say there?
Here's your dinner.
Here's your dinner from Taryl and team. We've got a Taryl sticker. What's this one here? We've got a John Deere lawn and garden tractor model 425 as well, and it comes with its own cutting deck as well, and the hopper on the back. That's cool.
What's he
say? What we got there?
Here's your dinner. Oh, Slippers,
Taryl,
and Junior.
And Junior. Good talking, Riley. Well done. We've got another sticker there, Grass Rat's Garage as well. Good talking. Fantastic. What else you got in there?
I got a new car.
We've got another car. This is a Hot Wheels, first editions. This is a Dodge Viper. Yeah, Mummy's coming. Yeah, don't worry about Mummy. Mummy coming and see it in a minute. So we've got Tunnel Drivers cutting. We've got a Dodge Viper as well. That's cool. We've got another one. What's this one here? This is a Grand 2 seconds. A Grand National car as well. Fantastic. We've got a Taryl coaster for putting your copy. Go and check Taryl out. Follow me. Follow it on Instagram. Twitter and Facebook. Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.
Daddy, go with the mummy.
In a second, mate. Mummy, come in. What's this one here?
I'm
Well,
not
go and get mine quick then. Go and get... He's off like a tramp on chips. He'll be back in 2 seconds. We've also got a Ford Shelby Cobra as well. That's a cool car too. Come on, Riley boy, you're missing this.
Oh, Daddy.
Come on, sit down. Come and sit down. Mummy got a big parcel from Taryl. He's lucky boy. Sit down, buddy. Sit down.
A turn, Mummy.
Yeah, tell Mummy in a minute. Yes.
Daddy, a
Yeah,
turn.
it's fine. That's a Shelby. Fantastic. Thanks for that.
No way.
And what's that one?
I hope you're ready.
This is a Bigfoot truck. This is what we use for out in the old mud racing or whatever. That's cool. We've got that.
Daddy.
Yeah. We've got another coaster.
Daddy.
Lovely. Thank you, guys.
Daddy. What's he say?
What's it say?
Dear Roy.
Dear Riley.
What's he say?
I'll let Daddy read it and we'll have a look.
Dear Roy,
Okay.
may you a happy day.
Have a happy day.
He's your best friend.
You're my best friend.
Jura and Kara, GAFA.
TFA. It says, greetings from Podunk. There's your dinner. This is a Taryl Fixes All proper Podunk postcard. And it says on the back, hey Mick and Riley boy, enjoy the goodies. Thanks for watching. From the TFA team. Fantastic. Hi Nana.
Hi.
So Riley got a postcard as well, but we have got a little love letter here which comes with it.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Are we doing?
You can read it all by yourself then. Yeah.
McDonald's
We've got a Mickey's coffee. Lovely.
Dean Taryl.
Dean Taryl.
You best YouTube channel.
You're the best YouTube channel apart from Mixed Mower.
Why Peter Mickey Mama? You're my best friend.
You're my best friend.
But what is that?
Good trying, Sheree.
For Taryl, super
There was one with long hair and a beard. Who's that one? Do you remember? Do you want me to get a sticker for you so he can help you?
Judah.
From who's that one there?
Judah.
Junior. We like Junior, don't we?
Why Mickey Mama?
Yeah.
Peter for Taryl. Eat you. My best friend.
Your best friend.
What's
Right.
his name?
Right, Daddy read it now and we'll see what it really says. It says, Mick, thank you for sending the Suffolk Punch parts to us over here in the colonies. Hi Riley boy. Enclosed are some goodies to say thanks and best wishes for all. From Patrick W. Looks like Patrick W. Fagan. Or in other words known as
What?
Uncle Pat.
Daddy.
So which say to Uncle Pat?
Is it for Pat?
Fantastic. So we've got a load of goodies. We've got a fantastic Ditch Witch hat. That's brilliant. I'm envious of that Ditch Witch. We've got loads of toys. Plenty of Grass Rat's Garage. We've got a letter from Uncle Pat. And also we've got an authentic Podunk. You can put that by your bed. A Podunk postcard from Taryl and team. So what do you say to Taryl and team and Uncle Pat?
Is it for Pat?
Fantastic.
Daddy, you're singing.
Singing?
Yeah, singing.
I'm not singing anything because I have to put up with a Grass Rat's Garage CD
Is it
every
for,
single day.
what's your name?
Uncle Pat.
Is it for Pat? Is it doing puzzle?
You.
Is it doing car? What that?
Cars, trucks, tractors. Say
Yeah.
tractors.
Shotgun car
Tractors.
and a digger,
Coasters.
a porters,
Yeah. Postcard.
a vodka,
Postcard. And what else we get? We've got a hat.
a hat.
Yeah, we've got lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you very much, guys, for sending Riley Boy over a lovely big parcel just because we sent over a couple of bits and bobs for Suffolk Punch engine so that Taryl could get his engine up and running for Uncle Pat. So thank you very much, and we look forward to the next episode of
Daddy?
Mixed Miles Very. Yeah.
I do it.
You can do the end bit, but we must say, if you're going to do what I think you're going to do, I hope Taryl doesn't give us a copyright strike. Okay?
Daddy.
Look forward to the next episode of Mixed Modes very, very soon. But until people, don't forget, much more importantly, go and do it.
Hey, dear!
Here's your dinner. See you later, people. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.